welcome back to my channel at Home with Nancy. If you're new here, at Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button so y'all could chill with the most hot gang. All right, boys and girls, in today's video, we are talking all about the DERMRAYS LED light therapy. So I am gonna start by showing you the boxes. So I did get these two packaging. So here they are. So this is the face mask and this is the neck and chest mask. So this LED lights are game changer. Like I have seen a lot of them on different websites. I've seen so many of them, and DERMRAYS, they were so nice enough to to send me these two packages to try them out and then let them know how I feel about it. So thank you, DERMRAYS, for sponsoring this video. But I just have to say that this mask has actually improved my skin. And I'm saying this confidently because I have used this for about 3 weeks now. And let me tell you this. So I was on the phone with my cousin on video call and she was like, your skin is glowing. And I'm like, whatever, please. She's like, no, I'm serious. Like, your skin looks really good. So I was telling my friend at work, just telling her about, just talking to her. And my friend was like, Nancy, your skin. And I'm like, what do you mean? She was like, it looks kind of different, but in a good way. Like, it looks really good because I don't wear makeup to work. And I was like, really? She was like, yeah, like it looks really, really good. I was like, she was like, what are you doing differently? I'm like, well, I'm using the same skin products, there's really nothing I'm doing differently. And she was like, didn't you say you have a mask you're using? I'm like, yeah, I did. Yeah, I am using the mask. She was like, are you really using it? I'm like, yeah, I'm using it consistently. She was like, okay, it must be the mask then because your skin looks really nice. I was like, it's funny because my cousin told me about my skin 2 to 3 days ago and I thought she was bluffing. And my friend was like, nah, your skin looks good. It looks so just so bouncy. It looks so nice and hydrated and just looks very plush and just it's glowing. I'm like, wow, okay. I guess the mask is working because at that point I'd used it for 3 weeks now. Now it's going on 4 weeks I've been using this mask and I love using this mask. I really do like it. So let's just talk more about it. So this mask, the LED mask, they have been designed to actually revitalize your skin and just take your skincare to a whole nother level. So they do have the red light, the blue light, the infrared light, and the mixed light. So what do these light modes do? So I'll tell you. So I'm just going to hold this box because they are the same thing. One is for the neck and chest, and this is for the face. So the red light, it actually is good for targeting wrinkles, fine lines, and just signs of aging. So it does help with a lot of collagen production. So it stimulates collagen production to help you with wrinkles and all those fine lines. So the blue light, that light is actually good if you have blemishes, acne blemishes, acne. It actually targets acne and just hyperpigmentation overall. So the infrared light, that actually targets your skin to help reduce inflammation, redness, it just helps with inflammation. Then you do have the mixed light, which has a combination of all the lights. So now if you want to ask me, what's my favorite setting? So my favorite setting, to be honest, initially started off with the red light. I was like, oh my gosh, let me target signs of aging, let me target any kind of wrinkles I might have or fine lines. And I was using the red light for a long time. But then I ended up switching to the mixed light. I was like, you know what, how about I do everything at once? Because I ended up breaking out. I ended up having a black spot here on my face and another one here. In fact, I am going to show you a video of my face before I started using the LED mask. Right there's a picture of my face on the screen. And in that video, you can actually see that I do have 2 black spots on both sides of my face. I had one here and I had one here. Okay, so since I've been using this, I have noticed that the hyperpigmentation from the black spot is actually reducing. So it can be reducing also as my, me using my regular skincare regimen, like my creams, my face creams, and also with this. But I feel as though it is reduced, like the hyperpigmentation has reduced a lot faster since I added this to it compared to usual. Because usual, when I do get acne spots, it takes longer for me to see like the black spots fade out. I still do have the black spot, but it looks a lot lighter compared to what it was. So with that being said, so my favorite light, to be honest now, is the mixed light, because with the mixed light, with all the lights together, I feel like I'm targeting everything. So when using this mask, as you can see on the video, I just pop it on my face for like 10 to 15 minutes. So you turn it on until the light goes out. So I'm gonna show you the mask right here. So the boxes are opened already, of course, because I already started using the mask. So here are the masks. There's a face mask. It does have straps on them for you to put it on your face. Then it does have the settings. So this is the red light, as you can see. It has a lot of LED lights on it. And then if you want to change the mode, you could press it and it gives you the blue light. And then if you want to change it up again, you press again, and then this is the infrared light. Then if you want the mixed light, then you could press it one more time and it gives you the mixed light. And you can strap it up on your face like this. And when wearing this mask, you do not have to wear glasses or protect your eyes because it goes around your face perfectly. So it targets your forehead, your nose, your chin, your jaw, and then when I use it, and I add this, and when I use it, I then add the neck and the chest piece to it, which is right here. So you add this, it does have the straps that you connect to it. You put it on your neck, as you can see in the video, and you put the chest right here, and you put the neck right here, okay? And then it does have the lights too. The only thing is that the mask does not come with an adapter for the wall. So when you get the mask, you do need one of these because it does come with an extra cord that goes into here like this. And then this cord goes into this part like that. And then you connect it to the wall to charge it. But the good thing about this mask is that you do not have to sit down for hours. You could do things while you are doing your LED light treatment. So you could disconnect this because it's charged. I charged it overnight. In fact, all you have to do is charge it for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then you strap it on your face, around your hair, the back of your head, and then you go about your business. I love using this mask on the flight. Like when I'm flying, like on trips, I put it on my face to get my skin treatments. I use this first before I put on my face creams. So you just need to wash your face, pat it dry with a paper towel or a towel, and put this on. After using this, then you can go ahead and put on your face creams. And voila, you're done. It's simple. It's so simple. And overall, I really, 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 really do like this mask. I always wanted one, and then when I saw DERMRAYS sent me this mask, I was so excited and I'm so blown away. In fact, I'm going to show you all the pictures. So this was the day, that picture right there was the day my cousin sent me a video call. I was talking to her and she talked about how nice my skin was. And if you look at my skin, you could see how just plump it looked. It looked so hydrated, it looked so plump, it looked so just bouncy. That's a picture with no type of filter. I was on FaceTime and I was like, let me see what my cousin's talking about. I was calling her back and I took a screenshot and I was like, wow, my skin does really look good. That's the skin right there. That's what I'm talking about. This mask has taken my skincare regimen to a whole nother level. And now I'm so obsessed. I am literally obsessed. And the reason why I like this mask even more is the fact that I don't have to restrict myself to sitting in the corner to use the mask. I could walk, do dishes, do laundry, do things in the house while I have this on. And with me being a mom, I feel like I can just sit down in one spot trying to do skincare. Sometimes I have to do other things for my kids, for my family. I have to run errands, and it's easy to just put it on my face and walk around the house doing things. So and of course, if you want to scare your kids, This would do the job too if you have a little toddler or something. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching, for sticking with me throughout this video. I do appreciate y'all, and of course, love y'all. Mwah.
Don't forget to subscribe.